Hey there. Oh boy. I got my basil harvest for the season right here in one pot. Now, I forgot how to do this, but we're going to go ahead and I think it's right there, right before the sprig cuts up into fours. These are, that didn't grow back. But it sprouted others. Dang, that's a lot. Look at it. It's pretty thick. There we go. There's a lot. Let it come down a bit. I love basil in the summer. And I'm probably doing this all wrong, but this is the third cutting, and it's like going crazy. There we go. Let that go. If I don't cut it back, it's gonna flower, which isn't bad, but you know. I'm going right before they split again. Come down and get that one. I'm on my way to Alaska tomorrow, or by the time you see this. So, I want to harvest and dry it. Well, I'm not going to dry any. I'm going to give this away because it'll go bad. There's nobody here to harvest it again. So I'm trying to cut it back as far as possible. Wow. And I'll probably make something today. A little pesto, you know? Something else. There we go. Look at the basil. Wow. I still could do some more clipping. I might, matter of fact. There we go. Because I want it to come back. Somebody will come back and cut it. I hope. Money's. See, that didn't come back, so I wonder what happened. It did sprout, though. So, we're going to go right there. And this one sprouted a lot. It's beautiful. Yep. Well, thank you for joining me. This is the me, Miss Monica to you. Back again with the basil harvest. The last clipping before I go to Alaska. These are some honker. Look at these. Good gracious. I had to cut it though. Cut it back because, like I said, there's, I don't know which one of my kids will be here to cut it. Sometimes they do. They surprise me and they trim it for me. But it was at my daughter Imani's insistence that I grow more, Ma. It's beautiful. Yep. Oh, it smells so good. Yep. So, thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. It's me, Miss Monica to you. And we're gone.